Hi everyone, it's Heather from Loving Our Age. All right, let's face it. Usually our go-to bottoms are a pair of pants, and isn't it true that we kind of go for the same pair of pants or trousers day after day, and usually they're black ones, right? Well, today I want to show you 6 styling mistakes that you might be making, wearing your pants. And of course, I'm going to have the before pictures, the after pictures, and some great outfit inspirations. Now remember, this is just my opinion, but I think you're going to like a lot of the tips that I say in this video. So let's start with number 1. Now, as you know, leather and faux leather pants are really trending again. But before you run out and buy a pair, let's look at this faux leather pair that I bought. If you have a tummy and wear this kind of pant with a trending crop style top, you're going to see a big shiny outline of your stomach. And this goes for the trendy silky pants as well. Another thing I don't like about faux leather pants is they do get hot. And also this pair, listen, it makes kind of a swish swish sound as I walk, which drives me kind of crazy. So as I've said before, I like to try out the styles for you and give my honest opinion, but for me and my shape, these faux leather pants are a no-go. And don't forget that I love buying the trends and kind of being like a personal stylist for you. And also I love doing inspirational messages. So don't forget to stay until the end of this video where I'm going to have another one from my heart. All right, let's look at tip number 2. Hey, we spent a long time in jogging pants and sweats a couple of years ago, but it's time to get back out there and age with attitude. Now, one of the popular styles of jogging pants are the tapered at the bottom style, and they're still trending today. I actually think this is not a classy look, especially if you're wearing old athletic shoes like the ones I have on. Instead, I absolutely love these Skechers Go Walk stretchy pants, and the last time I checked, they were 30% off for just $34, and they also come in petite, tall, and regular sizing. I love how they hide my feet a bit, and I don't give an odd shape to, the way the other ones do. I also changed to a lightweight Nike shoe for $90 and changed it to a black color to slim down my size 10 feet. I know you'll be asking about the hoodie, and it's just $34, and it can be a staple in any wardrobe. And don't forget that I'm going to have information on the after photo fashions. They'll be underneath the video description, also in the comments. And if you go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, you're going to find my favorite pants and jeans, skirts and tops and dresses and shoes and accessories. So enjoy that. All right, so let's take a look at tip number 3. And let's look at the confusion over the shorter length pants. It's true that shorter pants are trending, but try to stick to an ankle length if you're going for this look. This shorter style I'm showing here is cutting me off at around the thickest part of my calf, and it gives the outfit an almost dowdy look. Better to go for the actual trend and buy a pair of pants that skims the ankles, like these ones do for about $30, and they're available in 14 colors. I'm also wearing heels, but a flat will also work with this type of pant. I'm also wearing my newest animal print shirt for $30 that is super comfy and versatile and perfect for this trend that is all over the runways. And for a little extra style, I added a skinny stretchy belt, which you can get 3 of these for $18. And if you like videos like these and you're looking for somebody to help you with your styling, but you don't want somebody who's in her 20s, I'm here, and I would love for you to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you know when my videos are out. All right, let's take a look at tip number 4. And that's the no styling look. Probably for most of you, it's just the same old look with a different top, probably your regular pants and shoes, and you might even put on a sweater if it's chilly, but out the door you go to meet friends or to an event. The truth is that you could just lounge around the house in this, but you're getting out to society. Let's jazz up this look a bit by adding some neck jewelry and my favorite pair of hoop earrings, fun bangles, and now change out those plain black pants for a dress style of Rakuchi pants for $43. Change out the flats with a great pair of faux suede black ankle shoes or boots for just $60, and add a trendy overtop like this one for just $30. And of course, a rockin' pair of sunglasses like my Ray-Ban Wayfarers. And now you're definitely aging with attitude. And you can see by that last clip that sometimes we just have to think a little bit differently about getting dressed up. And I'm going to speak more of this again at the inspirational message at the end of this video. But for now, let's look at another tip. And that's wearing the pants and the top that hides us as we think we have gained too much weight. Now this is a lovely outfit with Alex evening pants for $75, and I found a top to go with it for $27. Although the wide legs are trending, and these are beautiful, they're kind of chiffon-like material, together this is actually making me look bigger than I am. Once again, a little styling can help. I could wear that black skinny belt to give me a little shape, which even though I have a tummy, makes me look like I've lost weight. I also need nice jewelry like this beautiful necklace from Lucky Brand for $49, along with a pretty bangle. And let's lose the flats and change them out for a lovely pair of pumps. A gold purse for $29. And now I still have an overall slimming black outfit, but I don't look like I'm 5 pounds heavier, and I look instead elegant and classy. And just a reminder, always know your measurements and check with the size chart for every individual item. It's so important that you do that. All right, you might have noticed that I showed a lot of black pants because I know that's what a lot of us are wearing, but we've got to add some more color. We have to add new patterns, so that's my next tip. How about a brown color to add into the mix? This is a great color to mix with the rust colors as I've shown here, with a faux suede jacket for $47 and ankle boots in leather for $77. Next, let's always remember that dark wash jeans are still slimming, and a stretch pair like these Lee ones for just $33 also have a tummy hugging waistband. And they're also available in regular, tall, and petite sizing. And a white tee and that same faux suede moto jacket, but this time in navy, polishes off this look. I'm just also going to add a pair of aviators and my Keds sneakers. And for my last look, why not find a nice patterned pant like these stretchy ones by Rakuchi for $43. I just added a rust blazer by CC Bell for $59. And by the way, I have this blazer in 3 other colors. They are so beautiful and they're lined. I added these great leather boots and a fabulous all leather handbag for $85. And of course my styling square sunglasses. And once again, I'm aging with attitude. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, these are just my opinion, but I really want to be like a personal stylist for you. So sometimes what we're wearing, I can help you to go from drab to fab. It truly makes a difference, you know, when I add some jewelry, a nice handbag, boots, accessories, and of course some rockin' sunglasses. And of course, it also makes a difference on how I style the pants and of course the shape that they're in. As we visit with friends and gather and go to events, let's take a few extra minutes to really get ourselves put together as we did in our youth. And when I think about our youth, didn't we take a few hours to get ourselves together? You know what? Let's change that. Let's have a long bath. Let's lay out our clothing and put out the accessories and the jewelry and really put together something special. And as my grandmother used to say, you know, let's put on a little bit of rouge and a little bit of lipstick and let's show the younger women that we're really rocking our age. And for me, that's just one more way to be loving our age.